Tunis has a population of 12 million people.
I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I
Tunis city has a population of 2 million people.
was easy to use. So call my time.
Tunis is the capital of Tunis and the largest city in Tunis.
You weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I